Hey folks, Mike Chisel Mortgage Group. Hope this finds you doing well. Okay, loan process, step 3, executed contract. What does that mean? That means when your realtor presents the contract, your offer to the seller, and the seller agrees to it and signs off, and you sign off, now you have what's called an executed contract, okay? There are 6 important dates that have to be met on that contract, and I'll go through those later on. What's happening is money's involved. You need money up front when you go ahead and write the offer. Well, you need your Earnest Money Deposit, right? Your good faith deposit. You need your home inspection money up front because you want to get your home inspection done during the home inspection period. And then also you need your appraisal money up front. That's the only money involved in a mortgage is your appraisal money paid up front. Okay, now, when you go ahead and write this contract, this offer to the seller has 4 options. They can accept, reject, counter, or do nothing, okay? And then the 4th option is really important. If they do nothing, folks, you know that you really don't have a good offer. So that's why it's so important to work with a highly experienced, full-time realtor who's an expert at contracts, neighborhoods, and buying homes. And again, if you need a referral, please call us here at the office, Gisel Mortgage Group, 727-376-6900. We'd be glad to go ahead and refer out an excellent realtor to you or answer any questions that you may have. Thanks and have a great day.